Here we are, May 4th. May the 4th be with you, 2024. This is Marathon. How do you make a mesh grow bag? This is a mesh grow bag. How do you make one? First, you get a roll of mesh here. This is called Pfeiffer Tech, or in this case, I believe this is called Marathon. Then you cut a piece 37 by 16. Then you come over on your sewing machine and you sew a little lip on the edge like that. Looks kind of like this. So you want to make sure you keep that on there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but whatever. Make sure you're using some Tenera Teflon sewing thread. Then you're going to come in here, you're going to cut you a 12-inch circle out of some kind of scrap. It doesn't even have to be the same. This is different stuff. Doesn't matter. So then you take your circle and then you take your side and you just kind of put this and you sew that onto there. And that's going to look something like that, going around there till it's all the way around. Pretty dirty canvas down there, it don't matter. It's going to get filled with dirt anyways. And when you're done, you can turn it inside out and it'll look like that one.